Diego, thanks for joining me. I'd love to just learn a little bit more about you and your business, and if you could just start there.
Yeah. First of all, good morning, Matt.
Good morning.
We are located. My name is Diego Someta. We are a premium turf installation and maintenance service company here in Dallas Fort Worth area. So we do installations from small backyard residential projects to large indoor complex or outdoor commercial sport complexes.
Great.
Yeah.
And before working with us, what was your marketing approach, and what results were you getting?
Yeah, well, our marketing strategy as an amateur, I guess, in the business was just really just looking at social media, Facebook and things like that. I didn't At the very beginning we didn't have a company to work with. Later, after a couple of months trying and not seeing any results, we decided to go with a company located in a different state. And we were with them for about 6 months, but we still didn't see any results. So yeah, so their strategy back then, again, it was just very simple, basic, just trying to do ads on Facebook, Instagram, and that was it.
Yeah. Okay. Now, after working with us, or how's your experience been? What kind of results are you getting?
Unbelievable results, honestly. And you're not paying me to do this. We have a business relationship, so I'm not getting anything out of it. But the relationship that I've had with your company has been amazing, amazing, completely different from other experiences with other companies.
Yeah.
You are very personable. Take the time to listen to what I need, the business needs. You're not afraid to put ideas out there and work with me. So the experience with you guys has been a 360 change completely.
Awesome. Well, then my last question for you would be, what would you say to another business like yours and maybe in a similar situation as you were, who is on the fence about working with search strategy?
I have friends and colleagues that are in different areas of the landscaping or hardscaping business. I have already reached out to them and I've shared my experience with them. As you could probably know, on this side of the phone, it's kind of, we tend to hesitate on just, giving money out, or that's the perspective that people have on marketing companies.
Right.
But with you guys has been a lot different. So that has, without, you asking me or anything like that, I've been reaching out to my friends and telling them, hey, I met this guy, amazing company. I've seen incredible results in the first 3 months already. So I definitely encourage any business to take a look at your strategy and give you guys a shot.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Diego. We really appreciate your business, and thank you, and God bless.
Likewise, thank you, man.
All right. Bye.
Bye bye.